Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica, and this show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. Happy Halloween. That's right. It is October 31st, a Sunday. Happy Halloween. I wanted to take today opportunity for this video to just kind of share with you holidays as for voiceover artists and how you really can capitalize on them. And I think this is not done enough, actually. Remember, and if you've watched my channel, you know this, but I'm going to say it again. Your ability to market your voiceover services, especially when you are representing yourself, and make no mistake, even if you have agents, even if you're on websites, your job is still to market yourself, okay? Your ability to market yourself and to be aware of what the consumer or what people are thinking about. And even though we're B2B for 90% of the business we do, those businesses are still run by people. So they're still consumers. So they're still thinking in that mindset, right? So meaning that, promotions, deals, specials, holiday specials, all these types of things, they're very important, all right? They give us a mindset. We've actually come to expect them. And when things are done that are not, when you're not kind of, paying attention to those things, you don't look like you're active, right? It doesn't look like you're actually in the game and you're doing anything. Do you know what I'm saying? So I think it's important to, as we kind of go holiday, because as this is Halloween, it's today and then it's gone, right? We're moving into Thanksgiving and then Christmas. What are you doing to promote yourself during the holidays? Are you promoting characters? I love Halloween because for a voice actor, because I do a lot of scary character voices and I really enjoy it and I get a lot of work. You know what I mean? But moving into Thanksgiving and moving into Christmas, especially, do you do like a Santa Claus or a Mrs. Claus or elves or, whatever characters, reindeer, whatever, you know what I mean? And when you go into other holidays, it just popped in my head about like leprechauns and, Irish and St. Patrick's Day. And, then there's, sentimental things and intimate things and during Valentine's Day. And all that, because I was thinking about some of the holidays that are coming up after Christmas, New Year's, all these different things, right? That we as voice actors can pay attention to and always offer a deal. There's psychological benefits there too when you're marketing yourself. So anyways, I was just thinking about, as the holidays come and we're in the main, rush of the holidays now, these are times where we can promote ourselves. And also, I think this is a really good lesson, and I struggle with it, you guys. Man, I struggle with it so much. But and I always have to tell myself it's that idea of scarcity versus abundance. And, I was always taught or the natural, I think, ideas when times get hard or, when we are seeing more money going out or something like that, our general reaction, our knee-jerk reaction is to pull back, spend less money, you know what I mean? Save, not do as much. But, I've learned that, what about the opposite? Like making more money. Why don't we focus on making more money instead of spending less? I'm not saying spend more money. I'm just saying focus on making more money. You're like, Anthony, I always do that. But using the idea of what do you have? What is your capabilities right now of what's in front of you with the holiday season specials to generate more income and revenue, right? I just thinking about those things and those ideas, I always like to look at something and flip the script and see, can we look at it differently? Can we do something that's not what usually is being done? Because what usually is being done works for the masses, but we don't want to be the masses, right? We want to, be a group that rises above, you know what I mean? And tries to better ourselves in our businesses. So anyways, I hope that kind of ideas have helped you out. And just think, hey, the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, moving into the new year, into Valentine's Day and all this kind of different things. What can you do? What can you offer? What can you market yourself and utilize these special times when people are looking for special deals? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, hit that like and subscribe button. Also, check out a VO's Journey Elite Academy. We've got an awesome special going on right now. The first month is half off. Really fantastic. We meet 5 times a week. If you're just starting out as a voice actor, like brand new, or you've been around for a while, this academy has everything for you. We have 5 live classes from marketing to production to tech to voice acting, 2 different voice acting classes, business systems and accountability. We've got all these live classes every single week. Plus we have an archive full of videos. We have references. We've been putting in a 10-step process. Each step has multiple videos to help you wherever you are in the process grow your business and get to that next level. So check out, there'll be a link below, and or you can go to voisjourney.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Halloween. Have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow for Monday. Goodbye. Goodbye.